What is Crystal Feng Shui? Feng Shui is the placement for energy and balance and alignment. There's a whole amazing way to set up your home. This is about setting up some of your crystals. And this is one of my display areas for some of my personal collection. And I recently got these two beautiful, this one and then this guy has a little bit of purple in it, the Labradorite, and this one has all kinds of gold, blue, and a little bit of purpley pink. This is the first piece that I got, oh gosh, how many years ago? Lots and lots of years ago. So while I have that one in my hand, I also have a piece of selenite. This is a disc. Happens to have the zodiac signs on it. And I have it here so that all of these crystals, the energy that they absorb from their surroundings, and here's a quick glimpse of what's around them. Kuan Yin and some flowers. Oh, that's a painting that I made a long time ago. I'm not trying to go too fast. And some of the pieces that are in the shop. And then I have Ganesh and Buddha and my little offering here. So back to these guys. This is stromatolite, the Labradorite. We have ocean jasper in the back, the zodiac selenite charging disc, petrified wood, rose quartz, amethyst, galaxy jasper, and this is a gift. Whoops, was a gift to me from one of my favorite suppliers. That they are actually in Brazil, and we reconnected after all the craziness. They were able to come back to the shows. So the point of this is, how do I know which pieces want to go together? Well, I started off with the 3 Labradorites because they are potential, unlimited potential or limitless potential. And the colors remind me of serenity, throat chakra as well, and then the purple for the crown chakra. There, oh, there it is. See, hoo-hoo. And then the gold for the high vibration. Stromatolite, grounding, ocean jasper, connects with the ocean, the currents, movement, that kind of thing. Rose quartz, heart chakra, unconditional love vibe. The celestial, whoops, there we go. Celestial bahia, amethyst, point, wand, scepter, or dragon tooth, dragon's teeth. That's what some of them are called. They're huge. I think this weighs close to, well, a couple pounds anyway, 3 to 5. Petrified wood. There we go. More grounding and stamina, persistence. Amethyst for crown chakra, protection. Galaxy jasper, a new find from Madagascar from one of my favorite suppliers. Prosperity and abundance. And then the celestial is for clarity, visioning, imagination, visualization, those kinds of things. These feel good to me. And you have rose, you've got the heart, you've got limitless potential. So self-love, raising your vibe, grounding, persistent, consistency, protection, visioning, prosperity, more grounding, and then going with the flow. So those are some amazing crystals. And when I take one of these out to use as a backdrop for some of the videos that I do, it matters where they go because the energy lets me know. It's kind of like, yeah, that doesn't feel exactly right. Go with your gut And 1 second.